promise me we'll never become strangers.
I'd rather lose everybody else before losing you.
Don't break my heart, okay?
I never would.
Few days later, Ethan meets another girl called Sophia and starts avoiding Eva.
You've been acting weird lately.
I'm just tired.
You used to call me every night.
Why are you overthinking everything?
Because I can feel when something changes.
EVA finds about Ethan cheating her with Sophia.
Who is Sophia?
It's not what you think.
Then explain it.
We were just talking.
You told her things you stopped telling me.
No,
How long?
3 months. I'm sorry.
I hope one day you understand how much I loved you, but I cannot stay here any longer because this is just too painful for us both.
Sometimes the deepest regrets come from the people who thought they had no time.